Diskarte family, welcome back to another episode. If it is your first time watching this channel, my name is Mendy and this is a show where I talk about diskarte in business, content creation, personal finance, and overall diskarte in life. In this episode, we talk about insurance. What is insurance? Why you need insurance, and how Kwik Insure, who is the sponsor of this video, can help you find, compare, and eventually buy insurance in such a quick manner. It would be as if you're just buying or shopping online, and also maybe even earn a little money on the side through their affiliate program. Let's get to it. So the first question is, what the heck is insurance? And I'm gonna try to explain this as simple as I can. So if you want to go in depth, just do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor myself. Just a quick disclaimer. But yeah, in a nutshell, insurance is a contract. Ito yung tinatawag na policy, right? Whereas whoever you buy a policy from, you are technically asking for their insurance, and they will help you when it comes to, securing you and compensating you for any losses incurred for specific situations or danger or peril. Depende na lang kung ano yung klaseng contract or kung ano yung policy that you bought for yourself. And as a really, really simple example on top of that, let's say si Juan and then si Bernardo are beshies. Si Bernardo has a car and he tells Juan,
Juan pare, bibigyan kita ng 1,000. Sa'yo na yan, okay? Pero kailangan mo i-guarantee na pag nabangga yung kotse ko, ikaw magpapaayos. Talaga 1,000? Eh syempre ayaw mo naman ibangga talaga yan. Sige, akin na 1,000 mo. Pag nabangga yan, papagawa ko na lang.
And in the instance na tinanggap ni Juan yung pera na yon, that is an insurance transaction. If you think na grabe 1,000 lang yung binigay niya tapos papagawa niya, for example, 10,000, 20,000, hindi sobrang lugi na nila. Guys, again, this is a really simple explanation for this. For example, si Juan talaga ay nag-i-insure ng mga kotse. Sa dinami-dami na nag-i-insure sa kanya na 1,000 pesos, let's say meron siyang 1,000 people na humingi ng insurance sa kanya, na pag nabangga yung kotse nila, siya yung magpapagawa. Sa 1,000 na yun, times 1,000, 1 million na. Pag may nabangga, depende na lang, i-cover niya yung major vehicle crash. Meron siyang guided ratio dyan, meaning may specific portion lang talaga siya nababayaran sa nangyari sa'yo. Or again, depende na lang sa agreement nyo. But these things are very complex. Measure nila yung risk. It's always a balanced risk between the policies that they provide, the policies or products that they inject into the market and they sell. And this is the same for any other type of policy besides vehicle policies or vehicle insurance. And there's many other types of insurances. Most commonly, you've got life insurance, which I think everyone knows. And then you've got health insurance, homeowners, and again, auto insurance. But there's a whole lot more out there. And the second most common question is it actually important? Or why is it even important to have an insurance? Guys, it is because life happens. You never know what the heck's gonna happen the next day and the next, and you want to make sure that you secure yourself and most importantly, the people around you. And I know it seems weird or it feels weird that you're literally giving these people money month in, month out nang wala pa namang nangyayari. The question is, what if may mangyari? So, for me, it is one of the most logical long-term investments that you can make. It is being responsible for your future in the now. It is really good practice, not just as an insurance purchaser or insurance availer in investing generally. This is a long-term game. Again, it's good training, it's good practice. And the last question is, bakit hindi to tinuturo sa school? I don't know. I have no idea. But with all that considered, enter Kwik Insure. What is Kwik Insure, you ask? Kwik Insure is the largest online insurance marketplace. They give you various insurance products and make it really easy and quick, obviously, to compare different insurance policies, products, and providers, as well as buy insurance, as well as claim insurance. Which, by the way, in terms of claiming, basing off of secondhand experience, I have a lot of friends who said there are some providers that make it a little bit difficult for them to claim. And with Kwik Insure saying that it is really easy for you to claim your insurance through them, makes this offer a little bit more interesting. Overall, they've made buying insurance easier than ever. And I think one of the biggest hassles in trying to figure out what type of policy or which provider you're going with is just the fact that it's difficult to compare, right? You're gonna have to really deck out, you know, the people that you've spoken to, the different policies that you've come across, different products that have been introduced to you. Whereas dito, since it's 100% digital, it is easy to compare. It is easy to see from a bird's eye view what policy is good, what policy is great in terms of pricing. And it's literally like online shopping. Para ka lang nagko-compare ng different items. Tipong pagbibili ka ng camera, you compare the specs. If you do it online, it's way easier rather than doing it physically. And just talking about comparing different providers, on the platform alone, there is 17 trusted insurance providers. They're gonna add more in the future. Once you've compared, you can directly buy, and then you could get your policy as stated on their website. You get the policy after only 2 days. So who can buy on the platform? You've got people that are employed whose employers do not give free insurance. You've got self-employed people, freelancers, small business owners. And one thing that really caught my attention was the fact that you can buy insurance for other people in your family. And they really highlight this for OFWs, diba? As an OFW, it's so critical that you keep your family safe here. And now you can buy insurance for your spouse, your siblings, your parents, your kids, as long as they are in the country with a valid government ID. You're set, you're good, you can buy. So what types of insurance products do they have on the platform? They've got vehicle insurance, life and accident, they've got a COVID-19 insurance, and then they've got health insurance. But coming soon, they will have life insurance, which I think everyone is aware about. It's probably the most famous type of insurance overall, as well as travel and property. Guys, it is time for me to buy my own COVID-19 insurance, and I'll also be discussing the features of their website and of how they do things, because these people don't mess around when they say that they are Kwik. Let's get to it. So as you can see here through the Kwik Assistant tool, I am choosing the type of product that I want, and it literally looks like online shopping. And this is where you can compare the features, you can narrow down on specific filters that you can input on the page. And once you're done with your filter and you've found the product that you want, once you're done figuring out if this is a fit for you, you get the package by clicking get this package. It'll ask for a valid ID to be ready. Click continue. Typically you will have to sign up, but in my case I've already got an account, so I will then sign in. Once you are done reading the fine print, you can then move forward towards buying the actual, or paying for the actual policy through their, I think it's 28 different payment channels. And I did that, as you can see here, really quick and easy. And then I am now just waiting for my e-policy, which should arrive within the next 2 days. Also, you know what else is quick? Clicking the like button, or maybe subscribing to my channel, because 90% of you aren't. And at the end of the day, when the need does arise for you to claim your insurance, it is very quick as well to go through this claims process. And on top of that, you've also got 7 days worth of customer service. So if you've got any questions, if you have bought through them and you've got any questions, feel free to call in. They're available 7 days a week. And if you still don't know what to buy, you can actually get a customized quote through this page. I'll probably link it down below as well. Now, the things to consider, like with any investment, you have got to make sure that you understand what you're buying yourself into. You've got to read the fine print. Things like how long is the coverage, what ages are covered, are pre-existing conditions covered, and is there a waiting period for the policy to be in effect, or the engagement of the policy. I think the only downside I see is that they do not have life insurance right now, which is what, you know, majority of the people need. But they did say that that should be available very soon. They do have accident insurance, which I think is equally important, because it is the same deal, right? Whatever happens to you in an accident, you never really know, and you want to make sure that you secure yourself and your loved ones from surprise costs. A probable downside for other people is the lack of, you know, a human speaking to you and guiding you through the entire process. And last but not the least, this is where the diskarte comes into play, and you make money on top of affordable insurance by joining their affiliate program. Ito yung diskarte. With Kwik Insure's affiliate program, you can earn as much as 10%. And I will list down here the different rates in terms of what insurances that your referrals buy and what rate you'll get. So as you can see here, there's 10% for vehicle and life, then 6%, and 3%. It is all on the website. You will be able to see them. Guys, I will leave it to you what your preferences are when it comes to buying insurance or when it comes to using this platform. Hopefully you had a better understanding of what insurances are and why they are important. That is the most important thing at the end of the day for you guys to understand. Hopefully you liked the video as well, and that is it for this episode. And as I always say at the end of my episodes, keep healthy, stay humble, and appreciate the small things. My name is Mendy, and this has been Diskarte with Mendy.